Now we are going to start with one of your favorite program of painting and coloring the picture named as Tux Paint. So Tux Paint is a drawing program which is very easy and simple to use. For opening up Tux Paint in Ubuntu or Linux operating system, the dash icon available, it is something like this. So on the dash icon available, kindly type the Tux Paint. The program will be open in front of you as you can see right now. Here I'll go with a new. You will ask me for a blank page and I'll say open, and it has been open in front of me. Okay, so TuxPaint is a free program which is being developed by Bill Kendrick. Okay, it helps us to draw and color the pictures. Now what are the different parts of the Tux title screen? Here we have a toolbox consist of different tools. As you can see, we have the brushes, that is the selector from the options. Whatever tool we are choosing here, on the basis of those tool we have to choose the brushes. We have the different colors available here, and the middle part is your drawing area where you can put up the contents or the pictures. Now how you can use the tools? We have different tools like paint tool for painting, stamp tools for providing the stamps or pressing particular figures, line tools for drawing lines. Different shapes will be drawn by using shape tools. Text can be typed by using text tool. These are magic tools, are some magic tools is your coloring tool. Undo tool is to undo any work, cancel any work which we have, cancel any action which we have performed. Redo is to re-perform the same action. Eraser tool to erase the content. New is for opening up new file. Open tool is to use to open any pre-saved file, already saved file. Save tool is to save the content in computer's memory. Print tool is to print the content on a hard paper or a hard copy. And quit tool to quit or to exit the program. So how we can create a new drawing? I had just shown you that once you have clicked on the new toolbox, or sorry, new tool, a blank file will be available in front of you. You can select the picture from there, and you can start coloring it. Okay, so once I have taken the new tool, after going new tool, I can select a picture and click on OK. The picture will come in front of me and I can start painting. Yes or no? Okay. The coloring feature also I have told you, that is the magic and the fill. For saving the drawing, you have to click on the save tool. As you have seen right now, the picture which I had colored when I was exiting, when I was closing the program, it asked me whether you want to save the file. So if I will save the file, it will be saved in memory and I can use it whenever I will require it. Paint tool, you had seen that I was covering the shell of the tortoise by using a paintbrush. That was your paint tool. Once you have selected the paint tool, you can select the color of your choice and you can start painting on the picture. Stamp tool Tux has some small pictures that can be used as stickers or stamps, and these are different patterns, like you can see the patterns of heart, the patterns of star, the patterns of leaf. Okay, so all these are stamp. Here also they are stamp, the shape of butterfly, the shape of lions. For closing the Tux Paint, as I have mentioned, you have to click on the quit tool and the program will get closed or will be ended up. After that, it was our last chapter, that is chapter number 7, storage in a computer. As I had told you in the beginning itself, computer is capable of storing a huge amount of data. That means it can store lot of data, lot of content in its memory. And I had also mentioned that it stores the content in hard disk, which is inside the CPU, So in this chapter we had studied about the word data. What does a data means? The collection of any useful content, the collection of any useful information is your data. Like in this picture, Aditi named girl is keeping a list of birthdays. She is keeping list of phone numbers. She is keeping the list of her friends and a list of her favorite foods. So all these lists are useful and important to Aditi. Hence, these list is her data. What is it? It is her data which she has to remember. So either she can learn or remember all these things in her brain, or she can simply note down these contents in her diary. And if she has noted down in her diary, she can recall or she can reuse whenever she wants to require it. So a data is a collection of useful information which we keep for our further uses. Okay, it can be used at any point of time and may be required in future also. Now what are data? Data can be text, as we have seen right now. It can be letters, words, numbers, sentence or symbols. It can be a picture, it can be a sound, and also a data can be a video. So data are of certain types: text, pictures, sound, videos, and it is to be stored in the memory of the computer. Now, computer has certain storage device for the same work, for storing the data. The best and the biggest storage device available with a normal computer is hard disk. It is available inside the CPU and it is the main storage device of computer. आपके कंप्यूटर के CPU box के अंदर the company has installed the memory device's hard disk, and it can store a huge amount of data in it. After the hard disk, the next small storage device is your CD. Then we have DVD. They are of both same size and capable of storing datas. And then we have a pen drive which we can keep in our pocket and can be taken any place.